My name is Lisa Morehead, and I am part owner of Masman Jewelers in Morgantown, West Virginia, and we are a full-service retail jeweler. We offer jewelry, watch, and clock repair. We take our time with folks. We help them through choosing different options. We would like to design our own line of engagement jewelry. We're kind of branching out into doing scenic jewelry, and we have a designer that we've used. As a matter of fact, we've done 2 wedding rings with him that have been scenes of West Virginia, and he hand carves and casts. I think we take really good care of people, and people appreciate that. It's been great having a local resource like Sharon, because she's been with us from the very beginning, before we actually even bought the business. She's been right along with us, and it's been 17 years.
I've helped Lisa and Pat with Masman Jewelers from the very beginning when they bought the business. During the pandemic, I was right there giving them information about the latest COVID funding, including the Paycheck Protection Program and the Economic Injury Disaster Loan, and any other opportunities I could find for them.
In the beginning, when we were thinking about buying the business, we had went to an SBDC event with Sharon. She had a great seminar, and it helped us learning how to do the paperwork and talking about the taxes and just different things that we would need to be involved in.
Pat and Lisa are just wonderful to work with, and it's so great to see how they care about their customers, and they provide wonderful customer service.
Anytime we've ever had questions, if she doesn't have the answer, she'll get it for us. Sharon has been instrumental in helping us with marketing and giving us some other different avenues that we hadn't thought of to help promote our business.
It's just always so interesting to come in and see what new ideas they have, new items in stock, and we come up with new ideas as to how they might promote the business.
We do a lot of work with nonprofits in the area, and we'd like to expand that and keep being a part of the community. And we just love being a part here. My business partner and I were both born and raised in Morgantown. You know, there's nobody like West Virginians.